Okay.
And we're just stabbing the tube. Let's try to ether. Oh. Then we're gonna go. Oh, that's
no.
coming down. That's a hard one. Here it comes. Here it comes.
Oh, probably you farted too.
Oh. No. Think about it. Nice tater there. We'll get her packed in the gun. I like that tater. Yeah, from the old black powder days here. Pack her up. Give her that little stuff. Mama jacking off back in the day. Before I met Mark. A little shot of ether. Now I'm gonna say, tater up, guys, tater up.
Whoa!
Holy crap! Holy and that one's gonna come down and hit someone in the head.
Whoa!
Oh!
Man, that was
insane.
Take a potato. Put it in the barrel here. Little fuel. Top it off.
Holy crap.
Oh,
Where is it?
That's across the river. Check it out.
There it is. All right.